DJI Neo, motorcycling and hiking vlog.
Hello riders, welcome to another vlog. This one is about this tiny little self-flying drone, DJI Neo. A smart, compact drone designed to follow you automatically, whether you are riding or you are hiking. No controller, no flying skills, just press launch and let it do the work. I have never flown a drone before. This entire video was shot by a total beginner, and that's exactly why the DJI Neo surprised me. I have watched some tutorials on YouTube, and that's how I got into it.
Subscribe!
It is a lightweight and small drone. Fits in a small backpack or tail bag when you're planning to go somewhere with it. But let's keep it real. It has some downsides also. Neo has no obstacle sensors, so if you are flying near trees or narrow trails, you'll want to be careful. The battery lasts up till 15 minutes, and it all depends if you're moving, climbing or dealing the wind. Tracking only works below 30 km per hour. That means no fast rides, but for off-road, exploring or hiking, it works beautifully. It is a little noisy, but you'll get used to it. For beginners like me, this is a great entry into the drone world. Simple, smart and stable. What do you want more? And for motorcycle vlogging, it works only below 30 km per hour. That's about 18 miles per hour, so no high-speed chases here. It's made for slow rides, some off-road trails and some scenic routes. Perfect for motovlogging and adventure shots. So, what is like using the DJI Neo on a motorcycle? Honestly, pretty cool for me. It locks on you fast and keeps the frame stable even when the trail gets rough. You don't need to think about angles or controls. It just follows your movement. Want a quick cinematic shot on a mountain road? Just stop, launch the drone, ride slow and boom, you got it. But here's the tip. Keep it in open areas. Avoid flying near trees or power lines because again, there is no side sensors on it. Also, the wind can mess with it, so choose calm days if you can. For motovloggers, this little drone is a game changer, especially if you are filming solo. Compact, simple, and it makes your ride look epic. Would I recommend it? Absolutely, as long as you are riding under the 30 km per hour.